Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the interfacing segment within the system options. In this video, we will start on the system options screen. From the system options screen, click on the system options button in the toolbar. The entity setup screen will open. Click on the interfacing tab. The interfacing screen will open. We will now go over the various fields and sections within the interfacing screen. Stock management involves configuring settings that are directly related to stock management practices. This setup enables you to define how your business will manage its inventory. For more information regarding the stock setup, please refer to the stock setup user manual linked in this video's description. You have the capability to configure and set up the month-end processes for the practice. We will now take a look at the various options available, which you can select from. None signifies that no month-end process will be conducted on the system. Normal month-end entails closing the period on the final day of each month, ensuring that all transactions and billing are finalized. For more information regarding the month-end process, please refer to the month-end user manual linked in this video's description. Days variance allowed month-end only is the number of days that are permitted to post transactions after the month-end has been done. Backdate is the number of allowed days in the past in which transactions can be posted. Click on a backdated field to adjust the total days, or alternatively, click on an up and down arrow to adjust the numbers displayed. Future dated is the number of days allowed after month-end was completed in which transactions can be posted. Again, click on a future dated field to adjust the total days, or alternatively, click on an up and down arrow to adjust the numbers displayed. Block and month field represents the minimum required elapsed days for initiating the month-end process. By default, this value is set to 28 days. This precautionary measure prevents the month-end process from being executed prematurely. Click on a field to adjust the total days, or alternatively, click on an up and down arrow to adjust the numbers displayed. Cost centers refer to the specific price list associated with particular locations where procedures are performed. We will now take a quick look at the options available, which you can select from. None means no cost centers will be used. Service center determines the applicable prices and the utilization of medical aid benefits. This setting is the default for both medical practices and hospitals. Scripting tool refers to the method and software used for scripting. We will now take a quick look at the one remaining option available, due to the last option being discontinued. GoodX is the default scripting tool used. HealthSoft is discontinued and no longer in use. Interface refers to where data fields are located in a file. We will now take a quick look at the options available, which you can select from. Windows Explorer refers to the local device file paths where files on a computer are stored. GoodX File Browser refers to GoodX file paths within the system. Context menus refers to the menu view on the system. We will now take a quick look at the options available, which you can select from. Off indicates the default selection in a hospital or clinic setup. Native Windows menus means the menus will look the same as in Windows. GoodX setup menus is the menus that are set up by GoodX. Use Nexion refers to a credit card machine integration within the system. Tick the Use Nexion checkbox if you are using a Nexion card machine at a practice or facility. If the checkbox is ticked, complete the merchant ID field with the relevant information. Enable pen integration refers to the use of a stylus or smart pen within the system. Tick the Enable pen integration checkbox to be able to use a smart pen with GoodX. Please note that using the pen integration is only possible with the relevant hardware. Click on the Save button to save the changes that have been made. Please note that the Save button will only appear if changes have been made to the settings. Click on the Print Option button to print the details of all saved options. Click on the Exit button to close the entity setup screen and return back to the System Options screen.